Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with reviews about anything, and today we have the Jabra Elite 85Hs. These are a new pair of Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones I picked up. They're mostly going to be used for work purposes because I've had some issues with the Shure headphones. Depending on how Shure handles and everything, I'll have an update video, but I'm in contact with them to resolve some issues. So in the meantime, I needed another pair of headphones for work, so I ordered these so I can connect them with my laptop and my work phone and everything. So thought I'd unbox it for you guys real quick, and then in a week or two I'll give an impressions video, and then over time continue. So box is pretty nice. Has a picture of the unit here on the front. Some different key features, like how it has the noise cancellation active. They're called smart active noise cancellation. The purpose-built speakers for superior music, and then up to 36 hours of battery with ANC on, which is pretty impressive. The other side, we have, I guess, a slogan or something they have. 150 years. I didn't know this company was that old. It's pretty cool. On the back, it has more features. It says the smart active noise cancelling again, customize your music and settings, the 36 hours battery life with ANC on, 2-year warranty with rain resistant durability, voice enable assistant, and the 8 microphones for enhanced call and active noise cancellation quality. And here on the other side, just a side profile of the product. So there are 2 seals here on the bottom. Outer carton just slides off, and then comes out from the side. So first it tells you to download the app, which I already have because of my Jabra Elite active 65Ts here. So that's done. Personalize your call music experience, activate the smart sound, and then register your headphones for the 2-year warranty. And then on the back, it tells you that that's an interesting feature about these headphones. They turn on when you turn the cups. So when they're flat, they're off. When they're turned, they're on. A bunch of different languages. Tells you to go to the website for manuals and other things. Okay. And then here's the headphones in a nice hard case. And then the bottom is a warning pamphlet, and that's it. So here are, I chose the blue model. There is, I think, a white beigeish color, black, a color they call titanium, which is just like a dark gray, and then this blue. It's essentially the same color as is active, the 65Ts. So case is nice leatherette, pleather material. Feels sturdy. Has a carry loop there, and then the zipper. So inside you have the headphones folded flat like this, and then a little bit of silica gel, more. Oh, this is antimicrobial powder. Interesting. And then you have a 3.5 to 3.5. It looks like, yeah, jack. And then it does charge with USB-C, so you get a nice little, rather short. Let's see, that is maybe a foot. USB-C cable, actually, I think. Yeah. I would have another one right by me, but it seems pretty short. And then the headphones themselves here. The inside of this is nice and soft. It's a kind of a felt-esque material. And looks like it's held in together with Velcro there. And just has a little pouch for your stuff. And yep, that's Velcroed in as well. It has a little diagram right there to tell you how to put the headphones back in. So it has the button section here goes on the top and the other part goes on the bottom. So one of the interesting things about these headphones specifically is they use a fabric on the outside of the headphones, which I thought was interesting. Instead of plastic or like a fake leather or rubberized plastic or metal, they went with fabric. It seems quite nice. It's some kind of textile fabric, and it feels pretty good. It's a little rough to the touch. Well, not rough. I shouldn't say that. It's textured. It has a interesting texture to it. And this top headband is kind of like a pleather material, similar to the case, but it's a bit softer. And then the top has the same material that's on the ear cups. The hinges right here, those feel like metal right here. They look like metal. And then, yeah, those feel like metal. Then that's plastic. And then that's plastic. That's plastic. Most of the construction seems to be plastic, but one of the important parts right here, this hinge, is metal. The slide is a resistive kind of slide, just similar to my H9Is I have. And then it's a nice oval shape to fit your ear. And then the cups are a nice soft pleather leatherette material as well, similar to the headband here. The driver feels angled. I don't think these cups come off super easy, so I'm not going to mess with that right now. But yeah, it seems like a pretty big opening here. I can easily fit 3 of my fingers in there and still have a bit of room here at the bottom. I can actually, yeah, I can fit 4 fingers basically in each side. I'll bring the H9 Note eyes over real quick, show a similarity here. So, there we go. So if we look at them side by side, you can see the Bang & Olufsen's go for a round cup, and this is, of course, real leather. I believe it's sheepskin or lambskin, but this is a pleather material. Granted, these are $250 to $300. I normally see them priced at. I got these on sale for about $180. They might be refreshing these models soon, like they've done with the 65 to the 75T, and they've redone a bunch of their other products as well from the Office Space. So these might be getting a refresh soon, is why I got a good deal on, but like I said, they're mostly for work, so it's not a big deal. Metal construction on the hinges and the arms here, same kind of resistive construction for the arm, the headband here. Overall, I'm going to compare the ANC because these are not known for having the best ANC. They're more known for their specific type of sound quality and the build quality from Bang & Olufsen. Where Jabra is brand new into active noise canceling ANC. So I'll compare them side by side to see how well they compare. Also comfort and sound quality and everything. Granted, like I said, these are they retailed at $300. These retail, I think, at $500. or 600, so almost twice the price. So I don't expect them to sound very similar or even, better or anything, but anything's possible. These are a bit older design. I think these are the second gen of the H9i's, so they're a few years old now, where this is only a year old. So yeah, look forward to some videos on these in comparison to other headphones I have and everything. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.